Hey, welcome back. Let's look at another example of creating a box plot, or sometimes called a box and whiskers plot. We have some data. It says 9 students were asked, how many hours of television do you watch each day? Here are the responses. So these are the responses of the 9 students. One student said 6 hours, one student said 2 hours, another student said 5 hours. First thing you want to do with your data is always put it in order from least to greatest. So there it goes. And now we can get to finding the 5-number summary. Remember, you cannot create a box plot unless you have the 5-number summary. So let's find the minimum, median, maximum, quartile 1, and quartile 3. Here we can see we can find the minimum and the maximum. We can also find the median right away. We can cross out a value from each side until we get to the middle value. And notice here we only have one middle number, so that is our median. We don't have to add or anything like that. That is the median. So we have 3 of our values from the 5-number summary. We have the minimum, the median, and the maximum. You just need to find quartile 1 and quartile 3. Alright, so let's find quartile 1 and quartile 3. Now you're going to look to the left of your median, and you're going to find the middle value to find quartile 1. We end up with 2 numbers in the middle, so we're going to add this up and divide it by 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 3 over 2, which is going to be 5 over 2, which is 2.5. So that's our quartile 1. Then on the right side, we need to find the middle value as well. So we're going to cross out one on the left, one on the right, and we also end up with 2 numbers in the middle. So that's going to be 4 plus 5 divided by 2, and it's going to give us 9 over 2, which is 4.5. So that's 4.5. So that's our 5-number summary. Remember, we need the 5-number summary to create the box plot. To create the box plot, first you need to do is draw a number line. Once you have your number line, you want to draw a vertical line that represents each of the numbers in the 5-number summary. For example, here's a line that represents the minimum, so it goes right above the 2. Here's a line that represents the maximum, it goes above the 6. Here's median, it goes above the 3. Quartile 1, 2.5, and quartile 3 is 4.5. Right, so this is maximum, minimum, median, quartile 3, and quartile 1. And once you do that, now you have to connect them to create the box plot, to create the box of the box plot. So here's 2 lines to create the box, and then 2 lines to connect the minimum and the maximum to the box. And that's it. So remember, anytime you want to create a box plot, first you need to find the 5-number summary. Once you find the 5-number summary, you can create a number line and then create the box plot with that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share the video. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you next time.